Now let us see exercise 3.12 first question. Now see the question. If the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 by 5, find the number. So now see the solution. So here we need to find out one number. That required number you can consider as a x. Let x be the required number from the given. So in our question one condition they have given. So that is what? So the difference between a number, that number we have considered as a x, and its reciprocal. So reciprocal of x, what is it? That is 1 by x. Okay, so both one difference, that is value they have given, that is 24 by 5. So that number and their reciprocal, both one if you subtract mean the value is 24 by 5 they have given. So now you know that this in between subtraction you have. So here you can consider as a x by 1. So now here you know that if the denominator is same only you can subtract the numerator, but the denominators are not same. So 1 into x, the x only LCM. So after cross multiply you can do it. X into x, that is x square, minus 1 into 1 is equal to 24 by 5. Now in between equal to you have, so this also fraction part. So can you cross multiply? So if you cross multiply, what it will come? 5 is common for this both terms. So 5 into x square minus 1 is equal to 24 into x. What is it? 24x. Now 5 you have to multiply inside. So 5 into x square, 5x square minus 5 into 1, that is 5 is equal to 24x. So now here all the parts bring it in the same side. So 5x square, this plus 24x, if you bring it to that side mean that is minus 24x minus 5 equal to 0 you can put it. Now we know that we have got the quadratic equation. So quadratic equation how we can solve? So we know the product sum method. Okay, so you can use it the product sum method. Now we know that which parts we have to multiply, that is the product. So the coefficient of x squared part and the constant part. So that's the product. So 5 into minus 5, that is minus 25. Sum, what is it? The coefficient of x that we have considered as a sum. So that is minus 24. So which two same number while they are multiplying we can get it minus 25, and the same number while they are adding we can get it minus 24. So these two numbers are, it is possible. So minus 25 and 1 while they are multiplying this two number we can get it minus 25. The same this two number while they are adding we can get it minus 24. Okay, after the coefficient of x square, what do you have? The coefficient of x square 5 you have. So both numbers you have to divide it with the 5. So minus 25 divided by 5, if you cancel it means you can get it minus 5. After here if you divide it with the 5 means you cannot cancel, just you can keep it as a 1 by 5. Here x variable value only we are finding. So x minus 5 into x plus 1 by 5 is equal to 0. After you know that x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 by 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so now here x is equal to the 5 minus 5, if you bring it to the right hand side, so it will become x is equal to 5, or here if you bring it to that side, x is equal to minus 1 by 5. So that is the answer, x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 1 by 5. Okay, thank you. Now let us see exercise 3.12 fourth question. Now see the question. A girl is twice as old as her sister. 5 years hence, the product of their ages in years will be 375. Find their present ages. So in this question, they have asked to find out one girl's age and her sister's age also we need to find out. Okay, so here some conditions they have given. Using these conditions, we are going to form the equation. After you can solve, then we will get the answer. So now see the solution. So the girl's age you can consider as a x and her sister's age we can consider as a y. So let x be the age of a girl and y be the age of her sister. So after in our question they have given one condition. So what condition? A girl is. So girl's age already what we have taken? X. So x is means equal to twice as. Twice as mean 2 into old as her sister. The sister's age what we have taken? Y. Okay, so x is equal to the girl's age is equal to twice as her sister's age. So you have to multiply 2 into y. Okay, so that is the first condition. So the girl's age is twice as her sister's age. Okay, so that's the first condition. After they have given 5 years hence. So 5 years hence means after 5 years only. So you know that after 5 years means you need to add with 5. So the girl's age, present age we have considered as a x and her sister's age we have considered as a y. After 6 years means the girl's age will be x plus 5 and her sister's age will be y plus 5. So you have to write the girl's age be x plus 5 and her sister's age be y plus 5 years. So after what condition they have given? 5 years hence the product means you have to multiply their ages. So what you have to multiply? After 5 years their ages, what is it? X plus 5 and the y plus 5, both one you have to multiply. The answer is 375 they have given. Okay, so both one you have to multiply. X plus 5 after 5 years, both of them, both of their ages you have to multiply. So x plus y into y plus 5 is equal to, the value is 375 they have given. Now we have got it the binomial multiplication. So can you multiply? First x you have to multiply with the y. So after x you have to multiply with the 5. Next 5 you have to multiply with the y, and 5 you have to multiply with the 5. So now x into y, that is xy, plus x into 5, that is 5x, plus 5 multiply with the y. So that is 5y, plus 5 you have to multiply with the 5. So that is plus 25 is equal to 375. The next part xy plus this two parts, 5 is common. So can you make it outside? So 5 if we take it outside commonly means, then inside what it will come? X plus y plus 25 is equal to 375. Now from the equation 1 we know that x value, that is 2y. So instead of x value can you substitute the 2y? So you can substitute in here x you have, instead of x you can substitute 2y. 2y into y plus 5 into, here also x you have, x instead of we can substitute 2y. So 5 into 2y plus y plus 25 is equal to 375. Since from equation 1 x is equal to 2y, you know that. Okay, the next one you know that 2y into y, what is it? 2y square plus here also we know that 2y plus y, that is 3y only. So after you have to multiply, plus 25 is equal to 375. Now we have got a 2y square plus 5 into 3y plus 25 is equal to 375. 2y square plus this if you multiply means 5 into 3y, that is 15y plus 25 is equal to 375. Then all the one bring it in one side. So 2y square plus 15y, here plus 25. After this part if you bring it to the side, that it will become minus. So plus 25 minus 375. So subtract and the biggest number symbol, that is minus 350 is equal to 0. Now you know that this is the quadratic equation. Can you solve this equation? So using the product sum method. So here product, what is it? The coefficient of y square you have to multiply with the constant term. So coefficient of y square, that is 2, and the constant term minus 350. So if you multiply the product, that is minus 700. After sum you know that the coefficient of y, that is the sum. So that is 15. Okay, so now which two numbers it is possible while are multiplying? We can get it minus 700. After while are adding that same number you can get it 15. These two numbers are, it is possible. Okay, so 35 after minus 20. So why here while are multiplying we can get it minus 700, while are adding we can get it plus 15 we can get it. Now here the coefficient of y square, what is it? 2. So both numbers you have to divide it by the 2. So 35 divided by 2, here minus 20 divided by 2. So now here you cannot cancel, but here you can cancel it. So then we will get minus 10. So here the variable is y only. So y plus 35 by 2 into y minus 10. Okay, minus 10 you have. So y minus 10, put it as a equal to 0. Now y value, so you know that y plus 35 by 2 is equal to 0, or y minus 10 is equal to 0. So now y, if we 35 by 2 if we transpose to the right hand side, that will become minus. So y is equal to minus 35 by 2, or y is equal to here minus 10, if you take it on the right hand side it will become plus 10. So y is equal to 10. But in our question what we are find outing? The girl's age and her sister's age only we are find outing. So the age means the negative part we will not consider. So here one negative part you have. So which one? Y value negative also having, and the positive. So ages we will not consider as a negative. Okay, so that it cannot be negative, so it is not possible. So this value only we need to take. So then y value, y is equal to 10. Y means her sister's age we have got it. Okay, so now x value if we needed means which equation you can substitute? Now we know that from the equation 1 x is equal to 2y. Now only the y value we have got it, that is 10. So if we substitute mean x value we can get it. Now 1 implies x is equal to 2y. So equation 1. So now x is equal to 2 into 10 y, instead of we can substitute 10. So then x is equal to 20 we have got it. Now the girl's age we have got it, and her sister's age also we have got it. Now we have to write the answer. Hence the age of the girl is 20 years and the age of her sister is 10 years. Okay, so that is the answer. Thank you.